There's times where you'll see somebody who's DIY'd their deck who was a contractor for 30 years. Everything's fine. And there's times where you'll see somebody who maybe works in the tech field or without working with their hands. Now they spend all this money to build something that a couple years down the road or a few months down the road is not safe and not functioning properly.
The thing that I like to enunciate the most is that a deck is something that is structural. That's why you're required to get a permit, and people are heavy. And so if you're gonna add all these people to the deck, and now you got sway, and is the foundation strong enough, and was it attached to the house correctly? And if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you did that yourself and something happens, you are on the hook for said people that get injured for the deck that falls.
A lot of DIY decks, we end up tearing a lot of them out just because they weren't built properly from the beginning. As contractors, we have access to some of the best products out there. We're constantly learning new methods and better practices for how to build these decks.
With the contractor built deck, if it's the right contractor, it should be the proper way that you do it aesthetically. It should look very good. It should be safe and long lasting. And the materials that are selected should be of a very high quality, all which require expertise to really execute on at a high level. So I guess the big difference I would say is longevity and look.
And maybe you don't care. Maybe it's a ground level deck, you're moving out, you just want to do it, then sure, that would be the option for doing a do-it-yourself deck. But if it's something you want to take pride in and you're going to have for a long time and you're going to put a lot of people on it and entertain, I would suggest hiring a professional company that's insured properly, that knows how to build decks, that builds them all the time.